This is me. My name's Jax. I grew up with the dream of becoming a photographer for National Geographic. I did 6 years at uni. I tried working in a job, but in the end I decided to go and do my own thing and work on the projects that I actually cared about. For about the past year I've been volunteering on and off with Sea Shepherd, coming back home to earn some money in between adventures. If you don't know what Sea Shepherd is, they're this really badass ocean conservation group who have historically been seen as eco-pirates, being on the front line and fighting against those who are robbing the oceans of its natural beauty and treasures. These days, they also work with governments to combat illegal, unregulated and unreported fishing and are leading the way in direct action on oceans all around the world. This has been my year so far. In January, I left Australia and set out on a new campaign with Sea Shepherd to East Africa. My job was to record all of the media for their latest campaign in Tanzania, photographing, filming, editing, as well as boarding and arresting ships. I signed up for 3 months and in the end didn't want to leave, day in and day out fighting the fight to keep the West Indian Ocean safe from illegal poaching. I shaved my head, I trained with the Marines, I learnt just how much a ship moves in rough seas. We hunted and chased poachers. We launched the Rib and boarded nearly every ship that we found. I saw the inside of too many freezer holes. We rescued the crew of a sinking ship, got 2 days off and went to Zanzibar. Slept in a whole day because it's my first day off in months. Learned how Uber works in Africa. Edit after edit, media release after media release. Counted fish after fish after fish. Kept in shape. Made a bust on an illegal forestry syndicate. Learned that slavery is alive and well on the high seas, all in a mission to eradicate illegal fishing in Tanzania's waters. After 3 months it's time to change the crew and I decided to take a couple of weeks off and go to Europe before heading back home. And then this happens. I get my camera and lenses stolen right from under my nose while I'm working on a train. I arrive into Paris to find that my camera bag has been emptied, unzipped, ransacked and zipped back up, all while under my feet in a first-class carriage. They didn't take the whole bag, just the good stuff, the most expensive stuff. I'm talking $10,463 sort of expensive stuff. I file a claim explaining that I couldn't have been more careful. It takes a whole month of back and forth with the insurance company for them to eventually tell me that they're denying my claim. You see, because my camera bag wasn't locked with a padlock and secured to the train with a chain and a padlock, it wasn't covered. And this is where I need you. It's a little less than a month before I head off on my next campaign. And in order for me to do my job properly, I need to replace the camera that I had stolen. I know it's a tall ask. I was in 2 minds about even putting this together, but for me to open up about this and ask for your help is the only way I see possible for me to get back up on my feet, get back out there, keep fighting for the environment and keep working towards my dreams.